there's Kalastajankuja. It's got Grandian 10 staircase C, no B actually. We have to go to the staircase C later because there's some strange woman standing outside it now. Another early 1991 built Valmet Otis elevator here that is turning 30 years old this year in 2021. It was built between 1990 and 91. 1990 it says on the bunker, so that's why it was the turn of the year 1991. The serial number is V1NE0957 and it's going to be inspected in 2023, 6 floors here. Yeah, amazing. That's here in Matinkylä, Matpi, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Finland, Finland. Down to the ground floor. I love the sounds and smell here, but the staircase D is best.
Yeah.
So far.
Niissä piti paakin väistyttää, että mentiin paikkaan. Niin.
But graffiti on for between verse 1 and 2 is not so nice.
Yeah.
So it's unnecessary. They could have painted it over with this light blue color.
Yeah. That's